Okay, just moving on to the development. It says the development of the sides of the cones using O as a starting point. O is here at the very top, so that's what O refers to there, and it's also right in the middle there, so it's the point of the cone. Okay, in order to do this, what we have to do is get the true length of the cone, and to get the true length of the cone, we're measuring this line here on the side. Okay, with your compasses, and then you stick the compass in here and you draw an arc round like so. Okay, decide on a starting point. Now, normally I just go straight up from there. You can see that I've not quite got my arc in the right place, so compass back in and just drawing that apart there. Okay, we now need to divide off this arc into 12 equal parts using the compass to measure the distance between two of these points. Okay, so I usually do between 1 and 2. You can do between 3 and 4 if you like, or any of these segments here. So mark them off: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, I'll mark them up. I'm going to start with 3 because it's the smallest point there, and that's just the way that it's easy to do. Usually 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we go 1, 2, 3 because it's going to wrap right back round on itself again. Draw some construction lines between each of these, like so. These lines are going to help us to draw in the rest of the cylinder, and particularly the cut. If it wasn't cut, then we just need to draw an arc and just do a first line and a last line, and it would be complete. But because it's got a cut in it, we have to work out and show where the positions of the cuts are. We'll keep going. So if you like, these lines we're drawing here, these are the same as these lines here, these vertical lines and these generator lines here, except the whole thing's opened out, because that's what a development is, it's the whole thing opened out. So what we need to do is project, this is going to seem like even more lines, but project from the cut points of each of the lines across to line 9, and the reason for that is that line 9 is the true length because of the way that we're viewing it, but all the other lines apart from 3 are sloping away from us, so they're not the true length, they're shorter. But to get their true length, what we do is we project across. So I'm going to do across from 8 and 10, across from 7 and 11, 6 and 12 is already done, across from 5 and 1, across from 4 and 2. Okay, right, to do 3, because it's the first one, we measure from O down this line to where the cut point is. You can see there. And then from O to 3 there, and from O to 3 there. Okay, now let's do 4. So we measure from O, but this time we don't measure down to there. We follow that line to there. Okay, so you see that? So we're measuring from 4 and 2 where it goes on line 9, so it goes to there. So this is for 4 and for 2. Okay, next one, the 5 and 1 line. So we measure from O to there, and then this is for 5 and for 1. So 1 is background here. Okay, for 6 and 12, measure between, turn this round a bit so you can see a bit more clearly, between here and here. So that's for 6 and 12. So from O to 6, and from O to 12. Right, 7 and 11. So it's from O, 7 goes up to that point. From that point there to there. Okay, there's 7 and 11, going up to there, and then across to there. So that's for 7, and it's for 11. Okay, just got a couple more to do now. 8 and 10. So we're going to cross from there to there. So that's for 8 and also for 10. And finally for 9, it's the easiest one really, from there to the top. So it's from O to 9. Okay, smooth curve through these points if you can. And then we darken in 3, we darken in 3, and then we really should get the compasses out and just darken in this line here. Can be a wee bit difficult because the thing is really precise, but that's good enough for me. Okay, and that's the development done. Right, finally we're going to do the true shape, and I'll do that in the next video.